Family, welcome to another property tour. Today we are touring Elkhorn Grove by Toll Brothers out here in northwest of Las Vegas. This is a Regalia collection, single-story homes, gated community with central walking paths, residents-only pool, convenient access to shopping, dining, and recreation. Honestly, guys, a great location. Now, if this is your first time to my channel, my name is Ramiro Fregoso, licensed realtor here in the area of Las Vegas. What I do on my channel is I tour all the new construction communities throughout the Las Vegas area to show you what builders are offering. That way you can decide if the home or the community is the right fit for you. So if you're looking to make a move, my number will be right on the bottom of your screen. Call or text anytime and hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss my next tour. So real quick, guys, Elk Grove has two different collections. So you got the Regalia collection, which is a single-story homes, and then you got the Sentinel collection, which is right over there, and those are two-story home collections. But today we are walking the Galante plan. So before we go inside, let me give you the property details. So this is a single-story. It is 3,100 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3-car garage, starting at $803,995. Keep in mind, guys, that does not include any lot premiums or upgrades. Now let's go inside and check out this bad boy. But before we do, let me get on this other side of this fence. Here's a quick exterior look before we head inside. So you're gonna have paved driveways. Also, really quick, guys, your front landscaping comes included with your home purchase, but the backyard doesn't. We'll touch base when we get to the backyard. Now, let's go check out this beauty. Love this entryway, look at this. Love the stones. Toll Brothers always does a great job with their homes. Look at this beauty. I love this entryway right here. Really nice. I love, look at the accent walls here off to the right and the left. Tile flooring. Before we get any farther, guys, keep in mind, model home. So pretty much everything you see in today's tour is gonna be upgraded, guys. So just a heads up. Before we go straight, here off to the left, you do have 2 bedrooms. So first we'll go in this one. This. So have a Jack and Jill bathroom. Come over here. This is your Jack and Jill dual vanity. Over here, you have your combination bath and stand-up shower. Let me show you from this angle. If we go over here, here's that bedroom number 2. Love the tall ceilings too. Looks like maybe, could be wrong, maybe 10-foot ceilings. Then we come over here, you have the walk-in. Now this is the door that we just came through, the front door. All right, it just continues to get better. So as we walk over here, look at this, guys. Nice office space right here. I mean, I would definitely be motivated to show up to work every day if I had something like this. The only thing is, to be honest, like say my kids or wife, they're like watching TV, I might be a little distracted because of the glass. So before we go over there, here off to the left, let me show you. Oh, so this is a closet, it's locked. Can't show you, but I'm assuming that's a coat closet. We'll come over here. Another bedroom. This is the 3rd bedroom. It's also a bedroom suite because you're gonna have your own bathroom as well. Look at this. And then right here is your closet. I'm going a little bit faster than usual, guys, just because there's been a lot of people coming through here. I've been having to kind of pause and give them their privacy to enjoy the tour, because who wants to look at a home and there's a camera like next to them, and it's just for privacy reasons, guys. I respect people's privacy. Living room, got the pop-out beams on top of the ceiling, absolutely stunning. Really nice sized living room. Nice oversized sliders. Then we come over here, man, look at this kitchen. So obviously you can see that the island seats 3 people comfortably. Got the waterfall quartz countertop, got the quartz and tile backsplash, got the brown cabinets, pendant lighting, beautiful. Black hardwares. On this side you have the dishwasher, you got dual undermount stainless steel sink, got the gold faucet with the gold light pendant lighting, love it. 6 burner stove. The microwave. If you see my previous tour, I mentioned the microwave. Like, I don't know why they put it that low, to be honest. I mean, I'm a 6'2", so to warm up my food and get down, bend over, and having to do that, I think it would be a pain, honestly. Dual oven, refrigerator, and if you come over here is your pantry. Decent size. I think this is more than enough. What I would need. You need bigger, it just costs more money to fill it up, right? Let me show you the dining really quick. Nice dining area. So that's about a set of 8. Then before I forget, let's go off over here to this side, and then we'll go to the backyard, and then we'll finish off with that primary suite. This is gonna be your powder room. Currently, as you can see, public bathroom, so hopefully we don't see no surprises, but I'm gonna show you here really quick. Then over here, some counter space, cabinets. That door is to your garage. Not gonna show you because it is locked. And then right over here, you have your laundry room. Sink, cabinets above. Obviously, guys, you know, those are additional upgrades. So let me go show you the backyard really quick. Keep in mind, so the front landscaping does come included. What doesn't is gonna be the backyard landscaping. And what I mean by that is, guys, you're just gonna get dirt. You're not gonna get this swimming pool that you see here, just dirt. So something to keep in mind, and typically you have up to 6 to 12 months per the HOA to finish your backyard. At minimum, it's rocks. But look at this, guys. Outdoor kitchen right there. Wow. Obviously this is not included, like I said, but gives you a good idea of the potential, what you could do with your home. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. I would say decent sized backyards, depending on what floor plan you go with, right? But I would say about 25 feet from the back wall to the fence or so, give or take, guys. Don't hold me up to it. Nice covered patio right here. Also, if you guys are enjoying this tour, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notification. Also, let's now go back inside and check out that primary bedroom suite. Also, really quick, guys, if you guys are planning to check out new construction homes, don't walk alone, guys. Either bring me, or if you're already working with a realtor, guys, take your realtor, because if builders will often consider you unrepresented if you do go by yourself, and you may not be able to add an agent later. The big reason it matters, guys, is having someone to help you negotiate price, incentives, and upgrades, just to name a few. So if you have any questions or want me to go with you, I will have my contact information down below. Give me a call, guys. So I was walking over there, but the primary is over here off to this side. And this is actually my favorite floor plan out of the 2 models that are modeled here. And I do love how tucked away this primary suite is over here. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. And if we come over here, look at this bathroom, guys. Your dual vanity, plenty of space in between. Put a nice little bench right there. I can even do some cartwheels here and I won't hit nothing. That's how big the space is. And then you have your walk-in right here. I'll show you in just a second. Under here is your shower. Look at that. Then you have your toilet. And we'll finish it off with your walk-in closet. Look at this, guys. Even comes out more onto this side, guys. Gets bigger. Don't worry. Wow. What do you guys think? Well, guys, drop a comment below. Give me some feedback. What are your thoughts on this floor plan? You like it? You don't? Also, guys, if you guys would like to come schedule a property tour to come out, check out this floor plan, maybe the other floor plan, another home in this community, or a whole other community of resale homes looking to sell, I would definitely love the opportunity to earn your business and be by your side and represent you, no matter what direction you go. So I will have my contact information down below, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. Also, if you have any questions, I'm also here to help, guys. Also, do me one huge favor. If you guys enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Until next time, guys.